Hello, Beanie Baby Besties! We are on day 9 already of this super fantastic, fabulous 12 days of Beanies limited edition collector extravaganza. Da-da-da-da. Okay, this one's done, this one's done, this one's done. Is this one done? Wait, is it? Wait, is it? Okay. Oh, okay. This has fallen down from there. Okay, what do we have? Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, how cute. Super cute. What is it? Oh, who are you? Beanie Belly's keychain. Ranger.
On your desk, you'll find a pen. Time to do homework again. Once you're done, then it's time to play. The perfect way to end the day.